the wind the whole day. We've had some big rocky rolly waves, but it's actually pretty okay. We're doing wing on wing. Seems to be working okay while we're in this current direction, as long as I don't veer off too much. We're trying to stay above deck because with rocky rolly waves like this, yeah, it's a perfect recipe for barfing on the sea.
Your wife made you delicious.
But my beautiful wife made me delicious buns for hamburgers tonight. Homemade. Charity for the win. Yeah. And it's a little cold, hence the plaid. So as we were doing our stern ties, we dropped our prawn trap over the edge of the boat. Therefore, I had to jump in the water, go rescue the prawn trap, and while I was already in there, I figured, hey, why don't I just scrub the hull, clean off all the junk that's slowing us down. So that's what I did. What are you doing down there, Charity?
Are you gonna video me going out again?
Well, I'm not gonna help this time because I know you can do it now, so.
Not a thing!
What are you standing on?
A ladder Bart made me.
Oh.
Check that out! That is the sweetest thing.
Oh, pretty amazing.
Bart getting into the kayak.
Holy smokes, I'm gonna die. Charity does this.
Let the record show Charity's done this many times without falling, but now that she said that, she will probably fall next time. Yeah, Bart. Kill it. See, it's simple.
I'm in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
Look, I didn't die.
Sweetest pie.
Holy smokes. That might have been the scariest thing I did all day.
Look up. Say hi. Today has been the Bart does funny things for the sake of...
I'm soaking wet now, just for my little hike.
He's been soaking wet so many times today because he had to swim after the dinghy. Trying to bring in the stern tie. Keep going, you can do it.
Maybe you could spool it out a little?
It's spooled. It's the best I can do.
Ah, look at how easy it is.
Okay, maybe it was stopped.
Spool it. Let it feed out. Help it. Feed it.
I am.
Oh my word.
You did a great job.
No thinking about what's in the water. Just go.
There's something right there.
It's just a floaty. Just don't jump on it. 3, 2, 1, go. Go now. Do it.
fishing. The second catch, well, third of the day. Woohoo! Yeah, Bart! Yeah!
Get in there, buddy! Come. But now, we leave. Sorry. No. This beauty was the fourth and final fish that I caught this day. It was a wild coho, around 6 to 8 pounds. It's amazing to reel in, lots of airtime, but had to let him go because he's wild. Same with the earlier fish that I caught. They were undersized springs, so I had to let them all go. No fish to eat tonight, but maybe tomorrow.